Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Harry Potter wands out of chopsticks. This is one I've done earlier and I'm going to show you how to make it now. Please excuse the dog in the background, I can't get him out of the way. So you're going to see my dog Bailey for the whole of the video probably. Right, let's get started. Right, first you will need some chopsticks. You can get these off eBay. You can get about a pack of 40 for about £3 to £4. Or you can get them from a Chinese restaurant. Some Chinese restaurants will just give them to you if you ask for them. Or Amazon. Also you will need a glue gun. This one is from eBay for £4. You will need some paintbrushes to paint your object. And some bits of old jewellery. I've got an old broken necklace that I've used. That's what I've done on this one. And also some watercolours. I've got this pack of watercolours from Wilkinson's. These were about £3. Oh, and also I got this glitter paint glue from Poundland for £1. You could also use some spray paint. I've got some metallic gold spray paint. Or any old bracelets or necklaces or earrings you don't want. I've got an old bracelet that I got from Primark that was in the offer, and I didn't like this bracelet in particular, so what I will be doing, I will be breaking that off and I'll be sticking that onto the wand, and also one of these chains. Right, so let's start. First we get the wand and then we get the glue gun. Now as you see on this wand, I've done little bits of the glue gun in different sections. So I've done a bit of glue gun all around there, around that side, and that side, and then I wrapped a necklace chain around it. But with this one I'm going to do a different sort of effect, and I'm just going to pour some glue gun on the stick, some glue, sorry, not glue gun, all the way across. I'm going to let that bit dry, and then I'm going to build up again and keep going over and over with a few layers of glue until it sets. And I'll speed that bit up for you. It won't take too long to set. This glue sets fairly quickly really, because this is like a 10-watt glue gun, so the glue isn't boiling hot. I can see it's setting a bit there now already. You can rest it just on a pot or the top of a cup. Right, I'm going to keep building this one up so it's like thick clumps, so then it will be looking a bit like Dumbledore's wand. I keep clumping it up at the top. You could also and get some little things like, you'll be able to get little plastic spiders and lots of ghoulish things you could probably stick on these wands. Would be a good idea. Right, that's clumping up again. Get that bit to melt down and set. Right, now we're going to leave that one to dry off, as you can see, and we'll start the next one. Now in this one, I have got some gems that I thought I might put on the side of it, and an old Harry Potter earring that I don't want, if you can see. So I thought I'm going to try and attach that somehow as well. So it's got a few gems in it and some old necklace chain. So we'll put some glue on. First of all, we'll try and attach this gem. Make sure there's enough glue. That's stuck. And then we'll attach the earring, but the end of the earring, as you can see, we'll cover that up with the chain, because you can see the earring on there. Now we'll get some of the necklace chain, put a bit more glue on so we've got extra support there. This is going to be a fancy wand, and we wrap it round. Put that a bit closer for you so you can see. That's all wrapped round there on the chopstick, and then we'll put some glue over that all the way around. And we're going to leave that one to dry as well. This one feels dry, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some light brown paint. If you notice, this one was with dark brown acrylic paint, and this one I'm going to use the light brown paint. Right, here goes with the paint. There's the brown, light brown. Now we're going to paint over. If you notice, the glue takes about 10 minutes to fully set. The paint will probably take about, so you know it's properly set, about an hour. And then you're best to just do another coat just in case. So there, we'll speed this bit up.
Very easy to just paint over them until you get to the end, obviously.
Some chopsticks, they're not exactly pointy at the end, so what you could do beforehand is just get a little well, get an adult to do it, get a little pen knife and just scrape the end so it's a bit more pointed, a bit more like a wand. Now I need this one to dry, so what I'm going to do, so I can get the end painted, I'm going to rest this on here.
I might have to touch it briefly just to get the bottom bits shortly covered.
Right, we'll leave that to dry before we do another coat. Now this one is now dry. I'm going to show you this with it painted silver, with the silver paint. You could even get silver spray paint if you wanted more of a dramatic effect, I should think. I'm just showing you an example here what it looks like with some of the silver paint. Doesn't really give a thick coverage. Or you could, I'll show you another example, you could spray it gold. That's another effect. Or you could even put the glitter on top of the gold. Now I'll leave that one to dry so I can show you the end result. There is the finished Harry Potter ones. Hi, that was my video on making Harry Potter ones out of chopsticks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you all very soon for my next video. Bye. Bye.